Managing attendees. As a webinar host, we provide you with options to select how you want your attendees to interact with your webinar. When you click on an attendee's name, you will see the option to remove the attendee if they were unruly or not supposed to be there. You will also see the ability to promote them to the presenter, which will allow an attendee to co-present or share something during the event. Under the More menu, indicated by 3 dots, you can select Webinar Options. Here, you can choose if you want your attendees to be able to chat with each other or just chat with the presenters. You can also choose to reveal the attendee list to all current attendees. Presenters will always be able to see the full list. Consider if your audience is appropriate to interact with one another through chat, if they might be distracted by chatting, or if your webinar is a more social environment where chatting is popular. You decide what is right for your event. You can also enable or disable emoji animations. That is where any emoji reactions will float across the bottom of the screen. This is a small feature that can be motivating to getting others to share their reactions in the event. You can change your mind anytime during your event and return to webinar options to adjust these options on the fly.